Hello everyone, welcome to Money Control's Ideas for Profit. Well, the quarterly earnings season has ended and the companies in the building material sector had another challenging quarter. Today we talk about the quarterly earnings review of the companies from the Tiles and Sanitaryware segment. The company that we have chosen are Kajaria, Asian Granito, Somani Ceramics and Tiles Sanitaryware. Well, the companies had a mixed set of earnings in this quarter. The top line grew higher for the most companies. However, the margins continue to remain under pressure on a year-on-year basis. Talking about the key highlights from the results from the sector. The sector actually witnessed a strong volume growth aided by the festive season demand. So in terms of the volume growth, Kajaria displayed a volume growth of 16%. Asian Granito had a similar volume growth around 12%. Somani's growth was a bit softer at 8%. So overall, a strong demand during the festive season aided the top line during the quarter gone by. However, in terms of margins, the performance was mixed. Kajaria and Tiles Sanitaryware were able to contain the costs and were able to display a stronger operational performance. In comparison, Asian Granito as well as Somani Ceramics faced some challenges on the operational front. Their margins declined substantially on an year-on-year basis, and therefore the operating profits also came in weaker. The other factor which was a silver lining in terms of the results was the sequential improvement in the margins. So on a quarter-on-quarter basis, all of the companies witnessed an improvement in the operating margins. So the margins came in higher for the quarter 3 in comparison to the quarter 2. Receding cost pressures as well as the price hikes were the primary reason for the improvement in margins in the quarter gone by. Talking about the stock outlook as well as the sector outlook, well, the sector has been growing at a steady pace of 5 to 6% per annum. The competitive intensity continues to remain high, and that has been plaguing the sector in recent quarters. The Mobi manufacturers are operating at a capacity utilization of 5 to 6% per annum. So that has been really a challenging factor for the most companies on the organized space. The other factor that has been plaguing the sector is the subdued demand from the real estate. Especially from the low income as well as the mid income segments, the demand continues to be fairly muted, and that has again had an impact on the volumes of the companies. The third factor, which is actually a silver lining for the most companies, is the power and fuel costs have started to stabilize, as well as the commodity prices have been on a declining trend. So that really paves the way for the margin improvement in coming quarter. These companies have been able to take price hikes, and that also bodes well in terms of the top line as well as the margins front. Overall, the sector had a fairly mixed performance, and the current market continues to be volatile. Kajaria as well as Tiles Sanitaryware had a fairly robust quarter considering the challenging market conditions. They were able to grow their top line as well as able to maintain their margins through strict cost control measures. So in terms of the volatility that we are facing in the current market environment, we like to prefer the Kajaria as well as Tiles Sanitaryware given the robustness of their operations in the recent quarters. Well, that's it from my side. For more views and updates, do log on to moneycontrol.com.